So I'm really pleased to see that my grapevine is back. It looked for such a long time like it had died this year and didn't really show signs of any leaves until probably the end of May. It has come back. So this is the grapevine leaf, and that's the grapes that are coming there. And if you can see, that's sort of what the vine looks like inside. It's like quite a tough woody type of vine inside. Now the grapevines, the leaves are edible. They're used in lots of dishes, and obviously we know that you can use grapes because they're edible, and you can make them into wine or eat them in jams or whatever it is that you might want to make with them. But as medicine, it's actually the grapevine that can be used. Now it's an astringent, especially if you make it into a tincture, and this astringency can be really helpful in certain conditions. And one thing that this is really, really good for is tightening arteries and veins. Now it does that through an antioxidant action, if you want to look that up, if you're into your biochemistry. And it's really, really great. It's another edible one. There's no interactions with any medications. It's free and easy to get hold of if you're growing it yourself. If not, you can buy it. So you can make it into creams in the same way that you can use horse chestnut for Venus creams. Then it's the same with grapevine, which is what I use because I'm actually allergic to horse chestnut, which is Aesculus hippocastrinum, which you'll find in a lot of creams for improving venous circulation. So for my patients, I use grapevine instead, and I will be harvesting very shortly to make this into a tincture. So if you have got a grapevine yourself, do have a play with it. It's a great tonic, and you could make that into a tincture. You could try it as a tea. Do let me know in the comments if you've tried it and how you got on. Don't forget to subscribe.